Syntax of inner join. To perform an inner join in Microsoft SQL, you use the inner join keyword along with the on clause. Here's an example. Select column 1. Column 2 from table 1 inner join table 2 on table 1. Column equals table 2. Column. Working example of inner join. Let's say we have two tables, customers, and orders. We can combine them using an inner join to get the customer name and their corresponding order information. Select customers, customer name, orders, order ID, orders, order date from customers INNER join orders on customers, customer ID equals orders, customer ID. Common mistakes and pitfalls. When using inner joins, be cautious of joining on the wrong columns or forgetting to specify the related columns in the on clause. These mistakes can result in incorrect or unexpected results.